Buenas tardes. Aquí presentándoles unos gallitos de lo mejor que hay en el planeta. Unos gallitos que para mí no son de este planeta, vienen como de por allá de Júpiter, de por allá de otra dimensión. Este es un sweater, double sweater. And this one here, so Brunner round hat, very beautiful. Brunner round hat. Oh my God, very beautiful. And this one here is a double sweater. Come on, baby, move so people can see you and see how beautiful you are. He is very handsome, very beautiful. He coming from another dimension. He don't coming from this planet. He's coming from another planet. And this one here is one hash, double hash, beautiful. And I never know that he already got a girlfriend. Beer sweater, beautiful hand too, beautiful sweater hand. And there's another one over there, look. Very beautiful. But what I want to let you know that these roosters, they're the best. They're really good. Beautiful roosters. This one here, this one beautiful, it's a hash rooster, double hash. See how beautiful he is. Beautiful. And this one, that's my double sweater. Come on, baby. Let people see how beautiful you are. Peer sweater. From two peer sweaters, double sweater. And this one, that's a Brunner round hat. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. They're beautiful. And this is another one. This is another one, peer sweater. I bring it out so they can have some grass. They can have some sunny time. So they're very beautiful. Yeah, they're very beautiful. There's a bunch over there. See, they just running everywhere. See, running everywhere. They're very beautiful. Alrighty, guys. I just want to show you my babies, my gorgeous. See you later, okay? My dog's over there taking care of the farm because the coyotes coming through the woods this way to try to eat my roosters. So I had to put my dogs over there by the woods, so don't let the coyotes come in and eat my chickens. And yeah, because the suckers coming from that side to try to eat my roosters, but I don't let them. That's what I have in my beautiful, healthy dogs over there. Alrighty, so I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.